To measure the angle, which is kind of just playing around really, but kind of fun sometimes, you take a homemade caliper like this and you make it so it's right at the angle that that blade is being sharpened at. You take a protractor and place it carefully there on the intersection and get up to that's about 42 degrees, which means 21 degrees each side. That's right in the sweet spot, 17 to 23 degree angle. Here is a jig from Razor Edge. Clamps on the back of the knife. And it sets the angle, and you place the thing on the stone like this and just draw it for you. Do the same to the other side. This is about a 20-degree angle here. Then there is the Lansky style, which is a clamp that clamps onto the back of the blade. The Lansky has a clamp that clamps onto the knife blade and then a series of holes here. And this one here is about a 15-degree angle. It's fairly low. That would be for like razors or a sharp knife that you weren't going to use in cutting a lot of tough stuff. And you graduate on up the holes here. And this last one here is about a 27-ish or so, which is a very steep, you just, it's kind of an axe type, chisel type edge. Here we are with the wheel. This is a bench grinder wheel here that you can use. Normally it would spin this way, which is downward, sort of, to me. But to judge that angle there, I just place the blade kind of flat against it there for reference. And then I tilt it out just a little bit, about like that. It could go a little bit further, about like that, for a little more of a chisel, blunter edge. But probably a little flatter, about like that, is nice narrow edge that cuts real well. You could flatten it up a little more if you were making a razor, but somewhere around that 17 to 23 degree angle is what you want. And of course the key is to keep it real nice and steady as you draw it across that rotating wheel. I'll do a little touch-up action on this blade here. It doesn't need much, so I want to give it just a nice, draw it nice and steady angle. And then I want to stop it before it goes off the edge of that. I don't want to catch the edge because it'll throw it down. Now I always alternate sides and try to pick the same angle, ideally. Just a nice, light, steady pull across there. Again, stopping it before you get off the edge there, because that edge will catch it.